classify each organic compound as hydrocarbon or functionalized hydrocarbon. For functionalized hydrocarbons, identify the compound's family. So let me draw this out here. So I have H3C bond CH. I have CH bond OH. Yeah, that's B is A. B here is H3C bond CH3. C here is H3C bond C bond CH2 bond CH3. I don't know if I'm missing something on this carbon here for C, because the formatting is kind of odd. I don't know if this O here means anything. Because this carbon should have a CH2 as well, so I don't know why they don't have a CH2 here. I don't know in terms of the formatting. I can't really tell what their question's asking here, so I'm gonna leave this out. I don't know what because I really don't know what the formatting here is. So this one I'm gonna put a question mark here, and then D here is H3C, the NH2. So I don't really know what C is asking here, but like just because of the O here, maybe it's a carbonyl group. I really don't know what's asking, and I don't know where this line ends in terms of the O here. Yeah, let's just leave C here. So A here is a functionalized hydrocarbon because I have an hydroxyl group, right? This OH gives it away that this here is a hydroxyl group. Therefore, this is an alcohol because of the OH bond OH, right? R bond OH here is my hydroxyl group, so therefore I have an alcohol. B here is simply just ethane. So this here is simply just a hydrocarbon. I don't have any again, I don't have any functionalized hydrocarbons here. B here is a hydrocarbon, simply just a hydrocarbon. I'm gonna skip C because I really don't know what they're asking in terms of this compound here. And D here is it is a functionalized hydrocarbon because of this NH2, right? This NH2 means I have an amine group. So this entire thing here is an amine. So this here, I'm going to say solution here is correct, just because A here is a functionalized hydrocarbon. It's an alcohol, that's good. C here, B here is a hydrocarbon. C, they said it was a ketone. So I guess this O here means it was a C double bond O. I just don't know where the O belongs to. It could be an aldehyde because it would have been actually in the first carbon here. So I don't know if it's actually a ketone, but it is a functionalized hydrocarbon. And then D is a amine. Good. So I'm gonna say here the solution is they have a picture here. Maybe I'll click that and download the image here. Maybe that might help. Give me a second. Let me see if I can figure out the image here. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is a much better image. Okay, so so this is a ketone here. It's H3C and then bond C and then double bond O here. This here is a ketone indeed, so therefore it's a functionalized hydrocarbon here. So I didn't know I can actually click these guys here. Sorry about that. But again, I have the OH here is an alcohol here. H3C is a simply hydrocarbon. This is a ketone. There's a C double bond O, so a carbonyl group, and H3C here is a amine. So I can verify this solution as this solution here is correct, because I do have a C double bond O here. This would be a ketone, and this here is an amine. So this here's the solution here is correct. Solution is correct. Good analysis. So I'm happy that they kind of attached the file there just because the formatted question is kind of off. So that's totally fine.